Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Scientist. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Today's very important topic. Today I'll talk about black holes. A black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, including light or other electromagnetic waves, have enough to escape its event horizon. A black holes, which are considered to be a singular region of space into which matter has collapsed, passing such a powerful gravitational field that nothing, whether material objects or even light, can escape from them. The theory of general relativity predicts that a sufficient compact mass can deform space-time to form black hole. The boundary of no escape is called event horizon. In many ways, a black hole acts like an ideal black body as it reflects no light. Objects whose gravitational fields are too strong for light to escape were first considered in 18th century by Johann Michel and Pierre-Simon Laplace. David Frankston in 1958 first published the interpretation of black hole as the region of space from which nothing can escape. A black hole is such a thing that nothing can escape, no light can escape. The first black hole, known as Sinus X1, identified by several researchers independently in 1971. Black holes of a stellar masses form massive star collapse at the end of their life cycle. After a collision, after a black hole has formed, it can grow by absorbing mass from its surroundings. Supermassive black holes of millions of solar masses may form by absorbing other stars and merging with other black holes. There is a consensus that supermassive black holes exist in the center of most galaxies. At the core of the Milky Way galaxy contains a supermassive black holes of about 4.3 million solar masses. Beyond the solar system, we find a great variety of stars, interstellar space, galaxies, intergalactic space, and black holes. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.